Let's take it right over to Michele Schneider, the Chief Market Strategist at MarketGauge Group. Mish, the Fed is meeting this week. Is there any chance the Fed will raise or cut rates?
Wow, one way or the other. Well, I'd say there's more of a chance than they raise than they cut, although most people seem to feel it'll just be a pause at this point, with one raise coming maybe in November. And they're basing that, some people that I respect, on the fact that Powell generally is very clear about what his intentions are, and he has not suggested a raise rate, but that doesn't mean he can't do it. The ECB raised last week 0.25%, which sort of came as a surprise. And Janet Yellen came out early in the week to say that she is watching and concerned about two things: oil and also the UAW strike. So, is it possible? Of course, I'd say more on the raise. Cut, I would fall off my chair at this point. So there you go. And the yields, we've had, I think, the longest period ever of an inverted yield curve, which economists will tell you means at some point recession. So we'll see.
And we've been waiting a very long time for the alleged big recession.
Exactly.
What's your trade of the day, Mish?
Well, I've been watching, last week we talked about TIVA, and TIVA went from 10 to 1060, where it's sort of getting new consolidation up here above a very key resistance point that it had had. I'm very encouraged by that. So I just wanted to mention that was a good one. This week, we're really looking at Coinbase. It's been also very sideways action, but yet outperforming certainly some of the sectors in the overall market. Bitcoin, which everybody expected to crash, didn't. And so I like Coinbase because of the whole mass adoption, the eventuality. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when we get some kind of an ETF that is approved by NASDAQ to trade. And that could be the benefit of Coinbase. So at this point, it's in a range, 77 to 87, just to round off. I would say at 82, you're smack dab in the middle, which means probably not the most effective place to wait for. But I do like it. And if it can get through this 86, 87, I think it's got very clear blue skies.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ange.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.